Hey friends, welcome. I received this from Temu, so let's open what I have. Let's see what do we have here. The first time for me ordering from Temu. And I'm gonna make a video about all of these things I received. That's it. Oh my god, what is this? Oh, it's lipstick. Oh my god, look. Guys, you're gonna see video is coming. It's gonna pop. Look that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This from Temu. Temu, I think. Temu, maybe Temu. Oh, eyes, guys, look. Oh my god, I can't wait to try it. Oh my god, guys, look. Crayons. Wow, what a lot. Crayons. This is showing. More crayons. Oh my god. They all look the same. One more. What is that? Oh, mascara. Guys, I'm gonna try it. I wanna make a video. All of these things I received, you guys are gonna see me make a video. And tell me, do you order from Temu? Do you ever order like makeup from Temu? Like the way I'm receiving my stuff, like crayons, lipstick, mascara. This, what is this? Shimmer liquid eyeliner. Let me know if you order from Temu. All of these guys I have. It's not too expensive. Instead of going to 99 cents or going to the drugstore, I'm gonna try Temu. And guys, you're gonna see the video I'll post. I'll say this is from Temu, and you guys are gonna rate it. You're gonna tell me how do you think about that. So that's it. I love you guys, and I see you next time. Don't forget to like, to share, to subscribe, and leave a comment below. Tell me what you think about all of these things I received from Temu. And if you guys order any beauty supply from Temu, let me know how you like it, how your skin adjusts for that kind, because I want to try Temu now. Okay, I love you. I see you next time. Bye y'all.